我哋師資優良，設備完善，設有各類人語課程，配合催眠教材。大部分課程已經列入持續進修基金，善用政府嘅資源，自我增值，盡力與教育機構確保教學經驗及信心。查詢熱線27100993。
Hey, I finally figured out a solution to your Captain West problem.
Oh, yeah, what's that?
Fill in the reports.
You're taking inside now.
No, I'm just saying this whole thing is making you crazy. Whatever you're doing to make him go away isn't working.
I'm not dignified. Facebook activation. I was moving to it.
And come up against guys like West. They're machines. You have to either play them or get used to losing.
And you're in politics.
Oh, yeah?
You want to lie and cheat like everybody else. That's
Not the only way to be political.
well, you were just bullying and abusing people. Oh, and I need you driving.
Are they going to send me back?
No. I have my boss all the time. You're in fact, I was going to keep this as a surprise, but I'm working on getting you a work so you can stay in America legally.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hopefully so you do. Give me cooperation.
You must be Google. I think that's it. Feeling better?
Gracias.
This is Tiffany Daniels. She and Sergeant Fairfield will help you with the visa application, but I just need you to do one thing for me first. We believe that we may have found the person that you identified as the shooter, but I just want to warn you. It does not look good. It's the man who shot you.
Okay, Dan.
Well, we have in the custody we believe may have been involved, but we should get you started on our application.
You're right. Anything you say?
Isn't that right? Do you know him?
I'm confident. Hurts a little. I'm sorry.
No. I'm dragging you all over the street. But you're not always think. Take that thing and Sergeant Fairfield will help you get your pictures, print, and signature for your visa. Thank you, please. Well, gentlemen, how you doing?
He's not much of a talker. I don't have anything to say.
Oh, I think that's a mistake, Colin. I know what you did. I found that gun in your apartment. I'm going to give you a chance to tell me why.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about the main murder 2 days ago. I have the evidence to prove that you did it, Carlos. But if you cooperate with me, I can help save your life. That was a bad man. You matched his fingerprints with the prints that found in the truck where your parents died. He was the driver. What I need to know is this. How did you find him? The FBI couldn't. How could you? Smart enough to plan this. You were smart enough to do it. You will see the application. Thank you.
Bridget, I was just going to see how it's going.
I'll let you know. Yeah. Oh, well, I was thinking. I decided to take a more positive approach with Captain West.
Really?